This is for Year 12 Specialists. It comes out of 1G. It's Sketching Hyperbolas. Now, we know that if I have x squared plus y squared equals 1, it's a circle. If I have over different denominators, it's an ellipse. But if it's x squared minus y squared equals 1, it's a hyperbola. And where it's negative on the y, therefore it looks here and here. But if it was y squared minus x squared equals 1, then it's going to be in here and in here as my hyperbolas. Okay, and this is the general rule, and this is the equation of the asymptotes. So in this particular case, I've got negative on the y, therefore this is the general shape of what the hyperbola looks like. In this case, the denominator of my x term is 4, so therefore a equals 2, and b equals 3, and h equals 2, and k equals 3. Which means that the centre of my hyperbola is at 2, 3 there. And that corresponds to this point here. The equation of the asymptotes will be y minus k, which will be y minus 3 equals plus or minus b on a, so 3 on 2, x minus h, which is 2. Let's say I take the positive, so y minus 3 equals 3 on 2x minus 3 on 2 times 2 is 3, y equals 3 on 2x plus 0. So that's the equation. And if I'm looking at the negative, y minus 3 equals negative 3 on 2x. Negative times negative gives plus 3, y equals minus 3 on 2x plus 6. That's the equation of my asymptote. So this one here goes along there, going through 0 and going through 2, 3. And this asymptote goes through at 6. And that will be 4. So I know that this coordinate here will be, normally A would be 2 and 0, but it's been moved over 2. So that's going to be at 4 and 0, 4 and 3. And the other one's going to be there at 3. So I can do some sketching. This is going to be my hyperbola, approaching those asymptotes. That point there is going to be 4, 3. That's going to be 0, 3. I need to find these x-intercepts. To find the x-intercepts, that's when y is going to equal 0. Negative 3 squared will be 9. So I'm going to have x minus 2 squared on 4 minus 1 equals 1. X minus 2 squared equals, move the 1 over, get 2, move the 4 over is 8. X equals 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. So that point there will be 2 plus 2 root 2. And that point will be 2 minus 2 root 2. I've got my x-intercepts labelled. I have my asymptotes shown. I've got the centre of the asymptote at 2 and 3. And the equation of the asymptotes is y equals 3 on 2x and y equals minus 3 on 2x plus